As a true entrepreneur with a passion for inventing and creating new products, Richard van den Brink started Global Factories in 2000.
The idea behind Global Factories was to develop something for third parties. There was a need for big companies to create something for them, but also manufacture it, so the complete package.
In 2001, Global Factories developed a special box to safely store pouch rolls for medicine. This was the first step on the path of better medicine repacking.
This product was actually mentioned for the Swedish government. My wife came home with a free product where the kiwis were packed. And I saw that on the table and I said, oh wow, this is the idea. I started drawing the dispenser, which right now is already 15 years in the market.
Challenged by the desire to improve pharmacies with automation, Global Factories introduced a machine for pouch verification.
At that time when I was involved in the project in Sweden, they did like 158,000 patients already in production. That was actually the best base to create a good machine, the medicine detection machine. So they learned me more about the process and the need and the requirements of the product.
The medicine detection machine was the first accurate machine for checking medicine pouches. This machine positioned Global Factories on the map as the pioneer in medicine verification and made the repacking of medicine safer, faster, and more reliable.
In 2014, I made several decisions where we created a lot of products for other companies. I decided to focus only on the pharmaceutical market. I was looking into the market and I saw the blister card. With the blister card I saw the opportunity as a great overview. That's the reason that I was investigating if there was anything in the market, an automated product, including a check. And that was actually not. So that makes me decide to develop the VBM.
The VBM, the Van den Brink blister packing machine, was the first machine which could check and pack blister cards. This system is sold worldwide and is currently producing several thousand blister cards a day, all packed and checked on a personal level. What started in 2000 as a small company is now a leading company in pharmacy automation, with a large team supporting customers worldwide. With all the challenges the world is facing concerning healthcare and aging population, Global Factories sees lots of opportunities to make healthcare better and safer.